Okay, I just forgot to turn on my mic, so I just went through the chat, and I realized my mic was off. I thought it was broken. Anyway, yeah, so as you guys saw in the previous part, today we will be protecting the dummy. So, yeah, he's going on his head. And he's at 100% health. And look, he looks awesome. And I wanna, at the end of the video, I wanna put in a little Easter egg of, like a special little scene that I saw the dummy doing. Hang on, I'm just gonna quiet this. Actually, I'll put it at 4. Anywho, this is pretty easy. Let's just try and move. Yeah, we can move him. Let's go. Okay, I think one of the only ways we can move him is... I'm sorry. But it was... Sacrifices must be made. Hey! Hey! Leave him alone! Yo! Leave him alone! No! 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 Stop! Oh my god! Oh, my body's getting crushed with him. It's okay. Come back. Hang on, wait. I want to see if this works. No one hurt dummy. Legs. No one hurt dummy. Legs. Okay. See? Okay. Now everyone agrees. Yo! Yo! That was scary. And I'm just gonna stand on this dummy's head. Yo. Yo. Don't come closer. Yo, stop. Yo. Hey. What? Whoa. No. I'm protected. Bro. I'm protecting. Forbidden. It's forbidden. Forbidden! Where did he go? Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. No.
Failure!
Run
You're still a failure!
Damn, he just really called me failure. Back. No! I had to hit him away, guys. Oh snap, that's not good. At the cost of me protecting him, I'm also hurting him. Oh snap. Oh no. That's really good. Oh my bones. Oh my god, my bones. No! Stop it! No. Oh my god, bro, they be teammate. I just got cooked. No! Don't hurt him! Sorry, dummy! No! Protect the dummy! This is why you were adopted! Oh my god. Oh, no, dummy! Are you okay?
Failure!
Dummy.
Failure! You're still a failure! Failure! I can smell the failure!
You can smell my failure, man! You cannot be talking, bro! Dang, I just really got roasted. Oh no. Oh no.
Failure! Failure! You're still a failure!
Forbidden. Video. Yo. Why is he using 3 swords? tormented people do not care. Ow! My head! No. No! No! Alright, guys. Mission failed. I feel like I just failed. Like, horribly. No! Stop it! Stop being a meanie! Okay, actually, nah. Nah, mission not failed. Mission still in progress. Talk about Mission Impossible. And yeah, this is Mission Impossible. This is awesome. So, oh hey, is it back out here? Said help. Oh my god! The poor dummy, bro. Oh my god, no, not again. Not again. Oh no. Psych. Okay, yeah, no guys. Mission Impossible, mission failed. And here's a little clip for y'all.